Boost your affiliate marketing skills with these tips. More than just a great product or popular company will be needed in order to maintain a successful career in affiliate marketing. It requires innovation, dedication, and a willingness to learn as time advances. Newer and stronger methods will always present themselves, and it is the job of the marketer to keep up and utilize these where possible. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. Test the product. The only real way for you to know if you want this product to be affiliated with you, is to try it out. Saying you know something works because you have tried it is much more trustworthy and reliable than saying you read about it on their website. Separate your task list so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. If you are working as an affiliate for a product or service that needs repeat business, keep this in mind during your promotions. Work up your marketing approach like you're fishing. The main goal is to throw out the bait and allow the fish to hook itself. After that, it's all about reeling in your catch. As stated in the beginning of the video, falling behind the technological curve will only manage to hurt your business. However, always test any new ideas or methods before actually putting the life of your company on their shoulders. Check the results of anyone else you know has made use of the method and decide if it could apply to what you are marketing as well. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.